Hi guys, what's up? And welcome back again to another Sunday Adventures vlog. So today guys, we're going to Germany to meet my son. Our son. Aksidente guys.
There's another two.
Another one.
No, three. No, four. More.
It's a lot.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yung pa sa likod oh.
No, it's another one also.
Hindi pa namin nakikita yung aksidente.
Another one.
Maybe it's really big.
Yeah, we were gonna see.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Meron ng pulis, oh.
You see how he's shooting?
Yeah.
That's what the police are.
Kasi yung ibang mga sasakyan nasa gitna, so hindi na makadaan yung emergency.
First time.
Galit na yung pulis. Ang dami guys dumaan ng mga ng mga bombero, tapos ambulance. So this must be stopped.
The A40 is closed. Rerouting you around it.
Kaya pakita ko sa inyo.
So it's normal.
You see? Nilalagyan na nila ng harang. Hindi ko sure kung may paparating na naman.
Some truck is stuck.
I think they're on the head and no?
He's stuck. I think he will be stuck for a longer time.
Ingay-ingay, busina. Kasi yung police, nandun palagay sa baba, oh. Ang daming
He's driving like this.
So guys, nakalabas na kami ng traffic. So ngayon, nandito kami sa gas station kasi nga bibili si husband ng kape at maggamit ng toilet. Meron pa kami natitirang 1 hour and 36 minutes to drive. Malayo talaga yung Porta. Yeah, so yung gagawin namin today kasama yung anak niya is mag-rides kami. Basta makikita nyo kung ano yung gagawin namin. Tapos kasama din namin yung kaibigan ng anak niya. So yeah. So dito yung gas station to go. So ito na yung kape niya. Don't drive yet.
Why?
Because I am closing.
Hey. That's why you need to do it. Do it.
It's not really closing, baby. It's not really closing.
Hey, baby, no, come. You need to get out that stick.
Mainit na pa natin.
Maybe here. Better. No, this. What's this?
What did you buy?
Mozzarella with the tomato.
So guys, malapit na kami. 10 minutes na lang. Makarating na kami sa kanyang anakis. Nakatulog ako sa biyahe. And dinala ko to guys, so itong wheels rough. Kasi nga later mag-rides kami, diba? So ganyan siya. So ayan. Nagsuot na ako ng jacket kasi nga medyo malamig na dito sa Germany. Pero sa Netherlands, mainit. So, see you later! So guys, kasama na namin yung anak niya. Magkakain muna kami dito sa kebab doner.
Extra.
Right, guys, yung
Wollt ihr Rinderfleisch oder Kalbfleisch? Rinder ist ein bisschen teurer als Kalb, ne?
And ako guys, nandito ako sa loob ng store para bumili ng drinks namin kasi nga, kung bibili kami doon, mahal. So, bibili kami ng Coke. So guys, nandito na kami. Race Dong. So, kailangan nila mag-register and then ito yung susuotin sa loob.
Kannst auch Englisch machen, wenn du möchtest.
Nee, ich kann Deutsch.
Ach so, wo sind die? Entschuldigung.
Речи надо останавливаться. Это не называется. Zähne für die noch selber arbeiten.
So ayan guys, mag-start ulit sila sa pangalawang rounds. Ako hindi na ako sasama kasi nga isang rounds lang ako. Akala ko guys, madali lang mag-drive. Iba pala yung yung sasakyan nila. Mas nakakatakot siya kasi nga talaga, para ka talagang nagbumotor, ganun. So ayan sila, tatlo. For the second round. So dyan, lilibot ka lang doon. Who is the winner here? Who's the winner? It's you? Who is the winner? We're finished, guys. And my husband is here. Nakatakot yung rides. Medyo malamig dito sa Germany. And then, pupunta kami ng Centrum. Gagala kami doon. Kasama pa din yung friends niya.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street. A brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free. Dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me, where dreams run deep. Over the rivers, across the fields. Laughing
там в другую сторону, там где можно залезть, то есть такой отрыв, вот вспомните, где потратить, где красиво. Ну, нам даже no, it's okay.
Diyan kami dati
I just
umakyat.
wanted to bring you there another side.
Look guys, so ang ganda dito.
Pagkakataon mo ka doon.
above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night.
So, akit kami guys, taas. Here! I thought here. Going here. Ano siya guys? Mountain. Mountain! Look at that. Ang ganda ng bahay. I'm not sure kung... Milab, this is the house or store? House. So, nandito kami sa Porta Centrum. O, papasok lang kami ni Mr.
Papasok man ni kumansesasi.
Oh, maganda din. Smoke cocken.
Kuchi.
So, pupunta kami ng New Yorker kasi nga bibilhan namin ulit ng jacket. Yung anak niya. Guys, nayatid din namin yung anak niya, pati yung friend. So, nandito kami sa Lidl para mag-grocery. And si husband, kukuha siya ng avocado. Trying to speak my language. And also, we get a pineapple. Ito siya. You see that guys? Ang mura ng karne kumpara sa Denmark. Sabi ng friend ko. Yeah. Meron din silang salmon.
Maybe like this, something, no?
Then kukuha din kami ng salmon.
Under our feet. Travel with me